Hey, it's Lian and let's pack my beach bag. Matambay man lang kami sa beach. Ang iban siguro maligo sila digto. Basta ako matambay lang, hindi maligo. First things first, umbrella para sa rain and sa sunlight. Sa masakit na sunlight eh. Usually sa rain man lang ko yung gagamit. Umbrella, towel, kay dry tissue ang roll. Hindi subong ano na nga tawag? Hindi subong pull up, naka roll tissue. Elastic telephone wire. Mini fan. Piskan hindi man bala lamig ang buga. Basta may fan lang, may hangin. Mini fan. Comb. I need to comb my hair. Wallet. Wala na. Mga important important stuffs. Mini perfume from Chuchu Beauty. Heartstrings collection. Just my type. Subong ko lang na-appreciate ang hamot. Subong ko lang na-describe mayo. Mini wireless microphone. Lip tint. Alcohol. Quadripod with shutter. Another lippy na liquid lipstick. Blotting paper. Disposable toilet seat cover. And that's it. Minimalist. Kay matambay-tambay man lang ko. Yeah. Here's my bag. And that's it for tonight. See you in my next vlog. Oh, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment to my YouTube channel.